Hey guys, and welcome back to another week's vlog. I just want to start off by saying sorry about this week, because I know that when this is uploaded it'll be this weekend, and I know there's going to be no video up this week because I have this really massive assignment that's like due all this week, and I just haven't had any time to work on it. So I really do apologise, but as soon as I get home on like Friday evening, I'm going to record it and upload it like Friday evening. So could probably be like Saturday morning, like early Saturday morning. But I know for certain that it'll be going up like this weekend, and also this vlog will be up this weekend. But I'm gonna record a lot more this weekend as well, so hopefully next week there'll be a lot more pre-recorded videos, so I can just upload them and there'll be no stress. But I'm actually going to be late for college today because I am still in ACL and it's coming 12 o'clock. Yeah, it's coming 12 o'clock and my college starts at 2, and it takes 2.5 hours to drive up, and that's depending on traffic as well. So I'm going to be late and I don't have the full assignment finished, so I'm currently stressing, but it's okay. You know what? Positive vibes, positive energy. I'm just gonna go with it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing at the minute, and it's actually such a sunny day as well today, which is a signal to believe in. But yeah, and all I done yesterday was just like relax, and Saturday and Sunday just relax because I was so drained from Rome. Hi. Yeah, so that's my view. But I'll talk to you when I go up to Psycho, and I'll probably just go straight into college, so I don't know if I'll vlog any of it. But yeah, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey guys, and oh my god, you're not gonna believe it, but it is 5 o'clock in the morning and I still haven't gone to bed yet, which is just the reality of college. So all this night I was like trying to get my Rome assignment done. It's like we have to do like a kind of sketch journal of everything that we've done. So yeah, I've done that, but like it took so long. I thought like it would take maybe an hour, or maybe like 3 hours. It took me over 12 hours to do, and I've only done 4 pages. I'll actually show you. Like, it's not even good, it's just that it took me so long to where's my bag, to get like everything like down. So show you. Okay, this is one of the assignment sheets, and we have to print out pictures as well. But let me go to the start of it. Okay, so we have to like sketches. So like this is a Trevi fountain, a bit about like, you know, how I felt about it, what I liked, showing some more detail of the columns here, a kind of overall sketch of like the main kind of part of it, then like a kind of front facade of it, and then we went to the Pantheon, just like a section of it, the facade and the plan of it, and then like a bit of like how I thought about it, and then there's the Colosseum, just like a drawing, some like more detailed parts of it, like what I like found interesting, a bit of text about it, and then the Maxi Museum of Modern Art, it's like this retreat, it's like the front of it, and then this is one of the roofs I thought was really cool, like inside of it, and then okay, oh sorry, no, oops. And then like this is just like I was just gonna go down the page of like sketches, just like 20 sketches minimum, and that's like one of the doors I see that I really like had like scriptures like in each of these like little panels, and they're gold, so it was really cool. And then for the second part of the assignment, we had to pick a shop and talk about like the atmosphere of it, and then we had like different steps. We had different steps. So we had to do the atmosphere and then how the space functions. So I have to do that now. But then I read that it's actually 2 shops that we have to do, not just one. So I have to do this again for another shop. So I'm gonna cry, but yeah, that took me 12 hours to do this, that, and this. I'm not very impressed, but you know what, as long as I pass this course, I don't care. So yeah.
Right, are we ready?
Should we get some?
It's here as well, but this would have been basically where they sat, and it's not warm, it's freezing. See the small, how would I pronounce that, like the slit, you know, the arrow slit.
Arrow slit, yeah.
That's because it's...
The breeze gets me every time.
Darker, I told you, this darker. This darker. That wasn't the hospital, just so you know. That's the door, but it's not the hospital.
Oh my god!
Wall.
Go in.
There's car seats and everything.
Oh god, I can hear creeps. Oh. Look at that.
Oh no, please don't go.
There's potential. There's potential. It looks smaller though because of this. It's a good separator though for the space.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, yeah.
Oh my god, that's how you gave me a fright. You gave me a fright.
Right, this is the asylum. As I say, you'll really recognise it when we go down, how much darker it is when we go down the stairs. Once again, we have the vaulted ceilings. Now, just as you need here, I'll show you these are the numbers out of the cell. This is how the prisoners would call, the turnkeys as they would call them, or the prison officers if they needed one.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna close off this vlog now. I know it's probably like all over the place or whatever, but I haven't edited it yet, so I don't know, but I'm sure it's like crazy and all over the place and mumble jumble, so I'll have to like sort through all that. But I was gonna film a video there about sorry, my hair's like all wet because I just like washed my face or whatever, but I was gonna film this video about this like, you know, really like horrible nightmare that I had, and I hold on 1 second.
I just needed some air.
About this like, you know, really like horrible like nightmare that I had like a year ago. It's like literally awful, like awful. And so I haven't had a nightmare like that since. But yeah, so I was thinking about recording that kind of video, but I don't know like if I will, because it's like nighttime now and I want to go to sleep tonight and I don't want to be thinking about that because it's literally like the worst thing ever. And also like, I don't know if you wanted me to tell you about like different like kind of like scary experiences I've had, because I've not a lot, but like I've had like a couple that like really freak me out, like, but yeah, so like let me know in the comments if you want to see them videos, because they be like, I don't know if I want to film them because I feel like it's, I hate talking about that kind of stuff, because I feel like if you talk about it, it gets attracted to you, and like nope. So yeah, life has just been like really crazy at the minute. Like I'm just trying to get like everything like in order, because there's a lot of like different stuff going on, like college, and there's like other work outside of college, and then there's my YouTube, and then there's like just a lot going on. So yeah, that's why the videos aren't like as consistent these days, but yeah, so I will get like organized within the next couple of weeks, and I'll be back to like more than 2 videos a week, and I'll hopefully be back to like 3 or 4 videos a week. So yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you next week or this week, whatever time. Bye.
Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how